Imagine only needing 5 exercises for the rest of your life. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that doing just these 5 simple moves could have you feeling stronger, looking younger, and defying the clock? Let's dive in because your future self is about to thank you. First up, the classic push-up, the ultimate upper body strength builder. Here's the thing, most people are doing push-ups wrong. Yes, even you might be making mistakes that cost results or even risk injury. But don't worry, by the end of this segment, you'll master the art of the perfect push-up. Why push-ups matter? Push-ups are a total package workout. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. And the best part? It's a functional exercise, meaning the strength you build helps with everyday tasks like lifting, pushing, and even improving your posture. Plus, they're convenient, no fancy equipment needed. How to do push-ups correctly? Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, no sagging hips and definitely no arched back. Lower yourself slowly, bending your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Stop just before your chest touches the floor. Push back up to the starting position with control. It's not about speed, but about quality reps. Looking for a challenge? Try these variations. Incline push-ups, perfect for beginners. Place your hands on a raised surface like a bench or table. Wide push-ups, spread your hands farther apart to focus more on your chest. Diamond push-ups, bring your hands together under your chest to form a diamond shape, targeting your triceps. With push-ups, simplicity wins. Master the basics, experiment with variations, and watch your strength skyrocket. Let's talk about the plank. It's deceptively simple, but it's one of the most effective moves for building core strength. And trust me, a strong core is a game changer. Plank is essential. Your core is the powerhouse of your body. It keeps you stable, supports your movements, and helps you avoid injuries. Whether you're picking something up or swinging a kettlebell, a solid core makes everything easier. How to master the plank? Start face down on the floor, supporting yourself on your forearms and toes. Ensure your elbows are directly under your shoulders and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Hold the position, avoiding sagging hips or raised shoulders. Start with 20-30 seconds and build up over time. Need a twist? Try these. Knee plank, a beginner-friendly version with knees on the ground. Side plank, turn onto one side, stack your feet and prop yourself on your forearm. It's a killer for your obliques. The beauty of the plank lies in its simplicity. No equipment, no fuss, just pure effective strength building. Now let's restore balance, flexibility, and strength with the Single-Leg RDL. This exercise is your secret weapon against aging. Now, quadruped, strength. Go up, lift weights and feet from both places. Why this exercise matters? As we age, balance is often one of the first things to go. The good news? You can regain and maintain it with consistent practice. This move not only restores your balance, but also strengthens your hamstrings, hips, and lower back. How to nail it? Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Shift your weight onto one foot, keeping that knee slightly bent. Hinge at your hips, lowering your upper body as your free leg extends straight behind you. Keep your back flat and core engaged, lowering your hands toward the floor. Slowly return to standing, maintaining control and balance throughout the movement. Start with just your body weight to build confidence. Once you're ready, grab some dumbbells for an extra challenge. It's not just a lower body exercise, it engages your entire posterior chain, making it one of the best for overall mobility and strength. Here's one you might not have tried before, the horse stance. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This move is a hidden gem for building leg and core strength. Why you should try it? The horse stance primarily targets your legs, glutes, and core, but it also improves concentration and balance. It's a perfect blend of strength and focus. How to perform the horse stance? Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointing outward. Lower yourself into a squat position, stopping when your knees form a 90-degree angle. Keep your core engaged and your back straight. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, gradually increasing your time as you build strength. Feeling ambitious? Hold a small weight at chest level for an extra challenge. This move doesn't just build physical strength, but mental toughness too. Finally, the kettlebell swing, the ultimate combination of strength and cardio. If you're short on time but want maximum results, this is the exercise for you. What makes it special? Kettlebell swings target your glutes, hamstrings, core, and even your shoulders, all while getting your heart rate up. They burn calories fast and improve functional strength, helping with everyday tasks like running or lifting. How to do it right? Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, gripping the kettlebell with both hands. Hinge at your hips, letting the kettlebell swing back between your legs. Keep your back flat and core engaged. Drive through your hips to swing the kettlebell forward and up to chest height. Let it swing back naturally, controlling the movement. The key here is using your hips, not your arms, to power the motion. It might feel awkward at first, but with practice, it will feel like second nature. It's efficient, powerful, and transformative. Now you know the only 5 exercises you'll ever need after 40 push-ups: planks, single-leg RDLs, horse stance, and kettlebell swings. These moves are designed to keep you strong, balanced, and youthful. Best of all, they're simple and adaptable to any fitness level. Here's a quick plan. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10-15 reps. Planks, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Single-leg RDLs, 3 sets of 8-10 reps per leg. Horse stance, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Kettlebell swings, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Do this routine 3 times a week and you'll see results in no time. And hey, if you found this helpful, why not share it with a friend? Let's inspire each other to stay fit, healthy, and unstoppable. Because life after 40 is just getting started. Subscribe for more tips and let's crush it together.